I say Kashmir should be free from the tyranny of the Indian army. The people of Kashmir, both Indian occupied Kashmir and people in the Pakistani administered Kashmir, should rise against India. So Pakistani army, even though I'm critical of you numerous times, please kick out these mushrikeen from Kashmir. Do something in your life. Pakistani army, when it came to Palestine, you did nothing. At least do something in Kashmir. Do something for once. Pakistani army, we support you when you fight batil. But when you fight against your own people, then you are useless. So Pakistani army should be taking action in Kashmir and Palestine. That is the only way you will survive. Otherwise, you will corrode and fight amongst yourselves. So we ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to free Kashmir and free Palestine.